Hi, 8th graders. Mrs. Schoenbaum here. I just want to say happy last week of school. We're so glad we've reached this point. If any of you have any makeup work, that's what this week is for. So today I'm going to have office hours from 2 to 4. If you need any help with any of your makeup work, please reach out to me during that time. Remember that you need to have 4 out of the 6 weeks need to have an S or satisfactory rating for you to earn satisfactory for the marking period. So please reach out to me if you need any help flipping any of those S's to U's. And so that's what that office hour time will be for today. Also, I hope I see all of you tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. We're going to have our clap out parade of you guys in your cars. And I'm looking forward to seeing you then. It's been a long time. So have a great last week of school, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow night.